Are you a new mother struggling with low breast milk supply? You're not alone in this journey. Many new mothers find themselves in the same boat, navigating the often challenging seas of breastfeeding. It's a common issue, but also one that's seldom talked about. Breast milk is more than just food for your baby. It's a lifeline, a source of essential nutrients, antibodies, and enzymes that are not only critical for your baby's growth and development, but also for their immune system. It's nature's perfect baby food, tailored specifically to meet the needs of your little one. Yet, the struggle with low milk supply can leave you feeling frustrated and helpless. But don't worry, we're here to help. Over the next few minutes, we'll dive into the heart of the matter, providing you with 10 proven strategies to increase your breast milk supply. So, buckle up and let's embark on this journey together. In the next few minutes, we will explore 10 proven ways to increase your breast milk supply. Firstly, let's talk about hydration. You know how vital water is for our bodies to function properly, right? Well, when it comes to breastfeeding, it's no different. Staying well hydrated is crucial for maintaining a healthy milk supply. Your body needs fluids to produce milk, and dehydration can lead to a decrease in milk production. Think about it this way. Breast milk is about 80 to 90% water. So when you're nursing, you're actually giving a lot of your body's water to your baby. To keep up with this demand, it's recommended to drink plenty of water, milk, juice, or other non-caffeinated drinks. Caffeine can dehydrate you, which is counterproductive when we're trying to stay hydrated. And don't worry about overdoing it. Your body is smart. It'll let you know when you've had enough to drink. So listen to your body and drink when you're thirsty. Remember, staying hydrated is a key factor in milk production. And next up, the power of nutrition. You've heard it before, and it's especially true now. You are what you eat. This applies directly to your milk supply. A balanced diet rich in proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates can significantly boost milk production. Let's talk specifics. Foods like oats, spinach, and almonds are believed to promote lactation. Oats, for instance, are packed with iron, which can help combat anemia, a known cause of low milk supply. Spinach, on the other hand, is rich in calcium and folic acid, essential nutrients for both you and your baby. Almonds, boasting healthy fats and proteins, are another great choice. But remember, it's not just about what you eat, but how balanced your diet is. A well-rounded meal plan ensures you get a variety of nutrients, all playing a vital role in milk production. So, never underestimate the power of nutrition. A healthy diet not only helps you, but also benefits your baby through your milk. Thirdly, frequent feeding is essential. Now, this might sound counterintuitive, especially if you're thinking, but I'm already not producing enough milk. However, the principle of demand and supply is at play here. The more your baby feeds, the more your body gets the signal to produce breast milk. It's a natural mechanism designed to ensure your baby gets the nutrition they need. The stimulation from frequent feeding sends a message to your brain to release the hormones prolactin and oxytocin. These hormones play a crucial role in milk production and letdown, respectively. So, by regularly feeding your baby, you're essentially asking your body to step up its milk production. It's like turning up the volume on a radio. The more you turn the dial, the louder the music gets. Similarly, the more frequent the feeding, the more milk your body will produce. So try to feed your baby often to naturally boost your milk supply. Our fourth tip is about mastering proper latching. Now, let's delve into why this is so important. You see, effective breastfeeding is not just about your baby being attached to your breast. It's about how well they latch onto it. The better the latch, the more efficiently your baby can extract milk. It's like a simple equation. The more milk your baby takes in, the more your body gets the signal to produce. It's a beautifully efficient system designed by nature. But what does a proper latch look like? Imagine your baby's mouth covering a large part of the areola, not just the nipple, with their lips flanged outwards like a fish. This might take a bit of practice and patience, but it's worth it. Remember, breastfeeding is a journey you and your baby are on together. It's a dance, and like any dance, it gets smoother with practice. Proper latching ensures that your baby gets enough milk and stimulates your body to produce more. Fifth on our list is pumping. This method, as simple as it may sound, is an effective way to stimulate more milk production. It's all about supply and demand when it comes to breast milk. The more you empty your breast, the more signals are sent to your body to produce more milk. Think of it as a conversation between your body and your baby. When your baby feeds or when you pump, your body gets the message that more milk is needed. This triggers the production of more milk, gearing up for the next feed. It's also important to note that pumping isn't only about increasing supply. It's a wonderful way to maintain your milk supply, especially if you're away from your baby for a period, or if your baby isn't feeding as well as they could be. Remember, the more you empty your breasts, the more milk they will produce. It's a simple yet powerful method to boost your milk supply. Sixth, don't underestimate the power of rest and relaxation. Stress and fatigue can play a significant role in reducing your milk supply. You see, when you're stressed, your body produces cortisol, a hormone that can interfere with the production of prolactin, the hormone responsible for milk production. And let's not forget about fatigue. When you're exhausted, your body diverts its resources to essential tasks, and milk production may not be at the top of the list. So it's crucial to get enough sleep. You might think it's impossible with a newborn, but try to sleep when your baby sleeps. And don't hesitate to ask for help. Take time to relax too, whether it's a hot bath, a good book, or a quiet walk. Find what works for you and make it a priority. Remember, taking care of yourself isn't selfish. It's necessary because taking care of yourself is as important as taking care of your baby. Seventh, try to avoid pacifiers and bottles. Now you might be wondering why. The answer lies in the simple principle of supply and demand. When a baby suckles at the breast, the body gets a signal to produce more milk. This means that the more your baby nurses directly from you, the more milk your body will generate. However, if your baby spends more time on a pacifier or a bottle, that's less time stimulating milk production. Even if the bottle contains breast milk, it's not the same as nursing directly. The physical act of breastfeeding is what signals your body to produce more milk. Remember, it's not just about satisfying your baby's hunger, it's about maintaining and increasing your milk supply. So, if possible, try to limit the use of pacifiers and bottles, especially in the early weeks of your baby's life. Breastfeeding is a supply-demand process. The more your baby nurses, the more milk you will produce. Eighth, consider consulting a lactation consultant. This professional is specifically trained in all things breastfeeding and can offer personalized advice and techniques to increase your milk supply. Breastfeeding is a unique experience for every mother and baby duo, and the lactation consultant understands this. They can provide tailored strategies based on your personal circumstances, whether that's your baby's latch, your diet, or your feeding schedule. They can also offer hands-on assistance with positioning and latch, and can provide reassurance and support if you're feeling frustrated or overwhelmed. In some cases, they may suggest certain exercises or even breastfeeding aids that can help stimulate milk production. Remember, it's perfectly okay to seek help. In fact, it's encouraged. Breastfeeding is a journey, and just like any journey, having a guide can make all the difference. So don't hesitate to reach out to a lactation consultant if you're struggling with milk supply. A lactation consultant can be a great resource in your breastfeeding journey. Ninth, let's discuss certain medications and herbs. It's intriguing to know that some specific medications and herbs are believed to increase milk supply. Galactagogues, for example, are substances that naturally boost lactation. They can be found in certain foods, herbs, and even in some medications. Fenugreek, blessed thistle, and fennel seeds are among the herbs traditionally used to enhance milk production. However, it's crucial to remember that while these may seem natural and harmless, they can have side effects and interactions. Some herbs might not be suitable for everyone, and certain medications may require a prescription. Therefore, it's important to approach these solutions with caution. Just like any other medication, these should not be self-prescribed. Always consult a healthcare professional or a lactation consultant who understands your medical history before incorporating any new medications or herbs into your routine. Remember, your health and your baby's health are of utmost importance. Always consult your doctor before trying any new medication or herb. Secchain immense core. Finally, let's summarize the key points discussed. Hydration is paramount. Remember to drink plenty of fluids. Nutrition plays a crucial role too, so focus on maintaining a balanced diet. Frequent feeding is a natural way to boost your milk supply, and proper latching is essential for efficient milk transfer. Pumping between feedings can stimulate milk production, while rest and relaxation can do wonders in reducing stress and increasing milk supply. Try to avoid pacifiers and bottles when trying to establish breastfeeding, as they can interfere with your baby's hunger cues. Don't hesitate to consult a lactation consultant. They can provide personalized advice and support. Lastly, certain medications and herbs have been known to enhance milk production, but always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new treatment. Remember, every mother's journey is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. Always consult your healthcare provider for personalized advice. That's all for today's video on boosting your milk supply. Your commitment to your baby's health and well-being is commendable, and we hope these tips will be of great help to you. If you found value in this video, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on our future content. We aim to deliver useful and credible information to support you on your breastfeeding journey. If you think this video could help other moms out there, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Remember, every like and share contributes to spreading knowledge and helping more mothers. Thank you for watching and being a part of our community. Remember, you're doing a great job, and we're here to support you on your breastfeeding journey. Stay strong, stay informed, and keep nurturing.